Hi friends, this is not a book review. I just want to share a few things which I liked about this book. Chatur Chanakya by Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai. He's an eminent author. He's written a lot of books. He's spoken in many places. This is a special book from him because it's for children. I thought this is a good book to pick up for kids because it's summer vacations and it's a good book to pick it up and read. So the illustrator is Vishnu M. Nair. He's done a lot of good work. He has a good style, and we'll see that in a little time. So talking about the story, this is not a story unlike Little Krishna and Chota Bheem where the real characters play the role. It's not like that. It's about a school kid whose name is Chanakya who enters into a new school and things happen. So the book starts in a way the school reopens and kids have to go to school, and Arjun, a very shabby and a healthy guy, and his sister Lakshmi, well groomed and pious Lakshmi, elder sister, and a very nice family, right? And Arjun has to go to school, and he's a really fat guy. He can't have a friend. So then somebody is going to come to sit with him actually, and that happens to be Chanakya. Chanakya is a very thin, timid, small guy with a choti, right? And he walks inside the classroom, and everybody's shouting at him, and everybody's saying, "See who's coming, Chanakya." His name is unfamiliar, very funny. His choti is really eye catcher. Everybody is making fun of him. So what happens is the days that Chanakya spends in school, how he befriends Arjun, and how he takes over the Himalayan problem. So it's a very interesting book, and we'll see that in detail. Everything's fine until Chanakya settles with Arjun. He tries to make friend of him, but Chanakya is really timid. He doesn't open up. He's a lot introvert. And what happens is there's a very rude guy in the classroom. His name is Himalaya, and he does ragging, which is really bad. So what happens is when there is a break, so these guys go out for a break, and what happens is Chanakya gets attacked by Himalaya and his friends, and he gets attacked very badly. So he comes to the room, and somebody rescues him, and Lakshmi rescues him from that situation, and they back to the classroom. And what happens is now Chanakya starts to work, right? He tells Arjun, Arjun's well-built guy, and so is Himalaya. Chanakya says to Arjun, that Himalaya wants to attack him. So he's not the target. He was not the target, but Arjun was the target, and Chanakya was in the mix. So he wants to convey this to him, and Arjun really gets mad. He wants to take revenge on him, and he tells him that I'll take over him. So Chanakya is very sure this guy can go head on head and he can really take the battle. But here's what Chanakya does. He says, "Okay, let's do this. Don't go alone. Take your sister. Take me." Okay, so it happens. Next day, what happens? These Chanakya and Arjun goes to the toilet area, and there is a small dark place in which Arjun is pulled, and even Chanakya is pulled. And what happens is what happens is Arjun gets a little disturbed, so he's outside. Chanakya gets into the mix. Chanakya is sitting on the floor. He's absolutely still, right? And this guy Himalaya takes up a scissor and he wants to cut the choti, right? He just holds the choti and he wants to snap it. And then what happens is Lakshmi shows up with this principal, and Himalaya gets red-handed and he's evicted from school, right? And this is a beautiful way, right? I felt that this is like the Shawshank Redemption kind of story because it happens in a very slow format, right? And when Chanakya explains what he did, then the story gets a little better, right? So otherwise it's kind of a very slow start. It gets into small details of every single school and other details. But once Chanakya talks about what he actually did, so that becomes a very nice point actually. So I really loved it. So everybody should read it. You will get the gist of it, right? Then Chanakya talks about homeschooling, right? Everybody asked him, why are you so shy? He said, I never been to school. He said, wow, no. Yeah, but he talks about Arthashastra, he talks about the Vedas, he talks about Upanishads, he talks about Bhagavad Gita, and the kids around him are, wow, baffled. How do you know all this? He said, I have never been to school, I have been homeschooled. What's that homeschooling? So that's a nice concept. So he talks about homeschooling, right? And he talks a lot about Arthashastra, lots about Chanakya. So I would say that this is a very nice way of teaching history to kids. What happened to Chanakya? How he got a king? He made the entire Mauryan Empire. Then how he was able to kind of take on all those bad kings and all that. So that's a beautiful history which is embedded within this story. So that's a very nice way of talking about it. And so there's a nice word which I really learned. Probably it's a Sanskrit word. It's Avinshiki, right? Anvinshiki. So what this word is all about? It's about the art of strategic thinking, right? So that's what it's all about. It's about probably thoughts about thought, or thinking about thought. So how students should be taught to think, so they'll get a little better at whatever they are doing. So this is what the book talks about. It talks about numerous other stuff which I really want you to explore and pick up this book and kind of have a nice place and just read through. It's a nice book. I've read it twice. I really loved it. So what I thought about it, this has a lot of scope. Like this can be a comic book, right? It can have multiple episodes. It can be a animated short film, or it can be animated short series on Pogo or something like that, or it can be a strategy game, or on an app or something like that. So the scope is a lot actually. So looking into the author's credentials, he's a nice writer. He's spoken in many places. I would consider he's an atomic incarnation of the Chanakya himself. I would really love to talk to Mr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Radhakrishnan in person, if at all there's an opportunity. And I really recommend this book to all these kids. And I'll put up the link in the description if you want to really pick it up. Thank you and have a nice time.